would start at some point at the South Pole. As one moves north, the circles of constant latitude, representing the size of the universe, would expand. To ask what happened before the beginning of the universe would become a meaningless question, because there is nothing south of the South Pole. Time, as measured in degrees of latitude, would have a beginning at the South Pole, but the South Pole is much like any other point, at least so I have been told. I have been to Antarctica, but not to the South Pole. The same laws of nature hold at the South Pole as in other places. This would remove the age-old objection to the universe having a beginning, that it would be a place where the normal laws broke down. The beginning of the universe would be governed by the laws of science. The picture Jim Bartle and I developed of the spontaneous quantum creation of the universe would be a bit like the formation of bubbles of steam in boiling water. The idea is that the most probable histories of the universe would be like the surfaces of the bubbles. Many small bubbles would appear and then disappear again. These would correspond to many universes that would expand, but would collapse again while still of microscopic size. They are possible alternative universes, but they are not of much interest, since they do not last long enough to develop galaxies and stars, let alone intelligent life. A few of the little bubbles, however, would grow to a certain size. They will correspond to universes that would start off expanding at an ever-increasing rate. This is called inflation, like the way prices go up every year. The world record for inflation was in Germany after the First World War. Prices rose by a factor of 10 million in a period of 18 months. But that was nothing compared to inflation in the early universe. The universe expanded by a factor of million, trillion in a tiny fraction of a second. Unlike inflation in prices, inflation in the early universe was a very good thing. It produced a very large and uniform universe, just as we observe. However, it would not be completely uniform. In the sum over histories that are very slightly irregular,